Hello, beautiful creatures. I wanted to try something a little bit new today. Hence the very demonic introduction.
What do you mean by that?
At the end of the year, like it is going, I still feel as though I'm living in July. I am suspecting I am having an onset of a mental illness. I don't know which one. You pick. Maybe you can inspire me in the comments. We could have maybe like a little bingo. If you're new here, hi, my name is Andrea, and in this channel, you'll see some weirdness. You're gonna see some chaos, and I shat myself for 3 hours. If you have a negative relationship with your family, cheers. We have got a lot of stuff planned today. I'm planning on trying out this brand new gym because my current one is going up in the dollar signs. So we are going to test out to see if it's worth it or not, because my gym membership is already expired. I'm thinking of going for a little walk and deloading all of my shit onto you because, you know, I need you as my emotional bearer, that friend that will listen to me day in and day out because you're my therapist and I treat you like one, except I don't really pay you. I could buy you food though. Does that count? I think it might. Let's do my makeup. Alright, so for my outfit, I am thinking of wearing the Honor straight leg pants. I love Honor Active so much. This is so worth the hype, by the way. And then I'm wearing this CSB bandeau thing. I don't think it's very supportive, so you are going to see me pull it up a lot of times. So ready, quick transition. Wow, look! Guys, I'm obsessed. This is amazing. Like, look at the back. Look. But I'm glowing. You know why I'm glowing? Because countdown to me having a break finally, an annual leave, T-minus 7 days. I also just realized I didn't shave yet. You know, okay. If you're a man, just like just fast forward this. But if you're a female, why does armpit hair grow back so fucking fast? Can someone tell me? Or is it just me? Am I the only one? Like, why does armpit hair, like, why do you need to be there? Like, I can be cold down there. It doesn't matter. I'm sorry, you're not of use to me. Right, she gonna shave. We finished going for our hot girl walk. Yes! Now, the thing that I want to warn you about is this thing, matcha. When I was stupid, which is a lot of moments, I drank this on an empty stomach and I shat myself for 3 hours straight. I'm sorry, that's TMI. I should have done a little disclaimer, whatever. It's fine. You guys are used to this by now. Before I drink this lovely drink, I'm going to make myself something to eat so that does not happen again. So I'm gonna make some rice cakes and some cottage cheese on it and just eat it because I don't want to have something too heavy before I go to the gym. I just want to have something light, quick, and easy to digest, and then when I get back, I'll have something really heavy to eat. So stay tuned for that. Now, why are you so far away? What, do you hate me? Just come, just look. Just come real close to me. Yeah, that's so much better. And we can be together forever. Sorry. I don't know if you find that weird, but I think we're well acquainted by now to be this close to each other. I have something, okay? I just don't want to get diagnosed. We all know that. My friends know that. I know that. You know that. It's fine. So my dumb ass thought that it was gonna be a great fucking idea to stop tracking calories. Now, I stopped tracking calories and I started tracking calories again. And guess what? I was having 120 grams of sugar. And according to the WHO, you're supposed to have 25 grams of sugar per day. And I was having, I can't do the math, 4 times the amount that you're recommended. Like, are you...
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
This is why I need to track. Because this is what fucking happens when I don't. The holidays are coming up and I am scared because everyone's asking me questions. I don't know, I just hate this time of year where, and I don't have the best of the best relationship with my family, so it's a little bit confronting. If you have a negative relationship with your family, cheers. Cheers to all the awkward moments that we are going to encounter when we see them again. The one time of the year where we're forced to see them. Cheers. Hi. So we are on our way to the gym. Now, I'm a little bit scared because when I called the person that was working there just to see if they could do like a casual visit, he was like, no you can't, and I'm like, what? And he's like, you can only do a casual visit. And I'm like, yeah, that's what I said. All right, cool. And I was like, oh, is there any like parking there that we could get? And he's like, no, there's no parking. You have to find your own parking. Like, did someone hurt him today? Like, what the fuck? He woke up and chose violence, dude. I don't know. That's a little bit of a red flag, but we will see. And hopefully we can have a good workout and that nothing goes wrong. But it is fine. It is fine. You know, it was so funny. One time in my previous workplace, I was doing an Indian accent so often that my coworkers thought that I was actually speaking like this, as if this was an accent, and my real accent was the Indian one. So that was not ideal. I mean, there's nothing wrong with an Indian accent, but I just don't think I do it very well. So, even though I am Indian, make it make sense. Ah! gym session and now I am super hangry and I'm going to eat someone if I don't eat food. So I'm thinking of making some chicken with quinoa and maybe buying some like tomatoes, cucumber, and create like a little fresh salad on the side. So that's exciting! Woo! Woo woo! Guys, look how pretty this looks. This is so aesthetic. Fuck, I'm so hungry. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, what the F are you doing? Join the freaking cult, because I'm trying to create one. I'm trying to create a cult. I've always wanted to create a cult. What? Why not? Imagine the Andrea cult. Dun dun dun. Anyways, please subscribe and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!